friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today I have a fun Valentine's craft and a little bit of decor to share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I did this similar craft about 2 years ago, I believe, and I loved it. But when we were moving, it kind of got destroyed, so I figure I do it again. It's so easy and simple and quick, and it turns out really cool and fun. Even your kiddos can help you do it too, and I bet they'll enjoy it. Let's get started. Okay, all you need for this fun craft is some heart stickers from the Dollar Tree. The bag comes with a lot of hearts for only $1. And then you're gonna need some twigs or sticks that you can find in your backyard or trim off of a tree that you have, which is what I did. It depends on how big your vase is, so use as many sticks as you like. But as you can see, it's really simple and easy. And then just peel the stickers and then just place them on the twigs randomly. You can do as much as you want or as little as you want. This is a really fun craft that you will enjoy with your kiddos too. So I found this XOXO sign at Dollar Tree, and I think it's really pretty. I'm gonna leave mine as is, but you can always paint yours to any color that you like, because I feel like I have a lot of colors already, so I don't need it to be any more color with the sign. I think it looks nice just like that. And then these heart sticks right here, they're also from Dollar Tree. So I decided to add some of it to the bottom of the vase, and I think it looks even better. I really enjoyed making this little, I call it heart bouquet. Look how cute it is. And there is my gumball machine from Target Dollar Spot. I know it's been very popular and it's really hard to find right now, kind of. And then the heart back there, the red heart, that is the metal heart from Dollar Tree. I just wrapped it with red tissue paper, and that's it. And then I decided to put out some mugs, some Valentine mugs that I had. This mug right here is my new addition. It's from Hearth and Hand. It's really sturdy wood, and I think it complements the ladder really well. So just a few mugs. I didn't want to put out too many right here, and I think it looks good. Okay, so this ladder is from Target Dollar Spot last year, and I had this banner a couple years ago, and I don't know if I want to do the banner or the heart towel. What do you guys think? I love the heart towel. The big heart is so cute, but I also like the banner. I'll just play around with it. I always change out my decorations anyway. So, but yep, this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoy my fun and easy heart bouquet craft today. And I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting me. I appreciate you guys so much. And I will see you in my next video.